Welcome back to Seven Kids Garage. Today we have a quick one, but can be kind of tricky. We've got a 2006 Toyota Sienna. Okay, the issue today is this plastic door handle breaks. Got a replacement. It's a Dorman, unfortunately, but it's 82496. The reason I got this one is I ordered it last night and it was here today, this morning. So this should be a simple tool one. You need basically a T30 Torx and a piece of string. Okay, since this was broken, just kind of go in from the front. Excuse the mess. This is our beater van. We basically just saved it for trips. You know, with 7 kids, it's kind of tough to fit in a Dodge Durango, so we keep this one around just for that purpose. So for this, we can just kind of pull out, wedge it out. Here's the old one. This piece right here is what broke. So to get this off, you come around here. There's usually a rubber grommet here. Ours is missing, so you just take that out. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but inside there's a little T30. It is a captured bolt, so you can't drop it down inside. And then you just kind of pull that out. There you go. Old one's removed. Okay, so here's the old broken one. And then you see the new one. See how it's missing this little end piece on this? If you look down in here, there's a little latch right here that when you insert this new one, you have to pull it out, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. But if you have a piece of string, you just kind of push it down in there, pull on that, and then you can pull it out. And of course, the only piece of string I have is a string off a COVID mask. So I went and grabbed a zip tie, just made a little loop on it, stick it in there. Pull out on that, see, just like that. Let's get that down in there. Push it back. Yeah, push back too soon. Let's go ahead and get this zip tie off. Pull down. I think it's in there. Yeah, that's nice and in there. Take the new trim piece, which will lock this handle in there. See, that's where this little screw here goes. There you go. Let's check her out. There you go. There's the new door handle. 2006 Toyota Sienna. I think it's 2004 through 2010 this will work on. Like, share, and comment.